Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is approximately 11 o'clock in Honolulu, 5 o'clock in New York on Wednesday, 23rd day of July, 2025, and this is the evening report for gold and silver. After solid gains over the last 3 days, gold prices declined today, dropping by over a full percentage point, as a deal was announced between the United States and Japan, which calmed market nerves. The deal signals some progress in broader trade talks ahead of the August 1st implementation of tariffs in the United States, thereby reducing demand for safe haven assets such as gold. That being said, gold is still up well over 25% year to date based upon global trade tensions and geopolitical conflicts. Gold, based as the most active August contract, declined by $46.10. That's a net drawdown of 1.34%, taking a troy ounce to $3,397.60. Silver futures declined by 14 cents today. That's a drawdown of 0.35%, taking the most active futures contract to $39.52.5. And the dollar continues to drop now for the fourth consecutive day, with the dollar index declining by a fractional 0.16%, taking the dollar index to 97.206. We have been talking about a significant change in the structure or price change in gold. Since the end of 2022, gold prices could be best described as a series of rallies with a series of acceptable price corrections. However, after hitting the all-time record high during the last week of trading in April, gold would oscillate between a series of record levels as well as a series of higher lows. However, in terms of the upper level band, although we can view it as a compression triangle because of the closeness between these series of tops on April 21st, May the 6th, and June 16th, we could also view this as a flat top and ascending bottom. Because of that, when we view the top as a series of lower highs, creating a pure compression triangle, we certainly did get a break yesterday when gold opened just above 3,400 and closed significantly higher at $3,443. However, that price was taken back today with a $46 decline, and most importantly, we now have gold challenging $3,400 an ounce, which is a key psychological level. As you can see, gold is currently trading overseas right now and continues to trade below 3,400 by just a couple of dollars, which tells us it's much too early to tell if gold will move back into this channel, the compression triangle we've identified. If that's the case, we can say that we've completed the D wave and we are probably headed into a final E wave, creating a 5-leg pattern which composes the entire compression triangle or the entire range in gold from the 21st of April to current pricing. If that's the case, we could see gold trade as low as $3,340 before finding support. I would look at the 50-day moving average as a key level if gold continues to fall that we would like to see it hold. The simple 50-day moving average comes in roughly at $3,346. And based upon the recent fundamentals that we talked about at the beginning of the show, and that is the trade deal between the United States and Japan, I wouldn't be surprised if gold prices began to soften and trade significantly lower. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next evening report. Bye-bye.